Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this tutorial we are going to see live practical of CSRF attack on inflectra.com. So let's see the same. So over here we will be changing user account password and other information. So let's first see the inflectra.com site. I have opened this website on Google Chrome and we have made two accounts. One is Ankit1. Let me show you. This account I have opened in Mozilla Firefox. This is the Ankit1. And the other account is Akash Singh 1, which I have opened in Google Chrome. As you can see over here. So now just follow my instructions. Over here in Mozilla Firefox, we'll change password of Ankit's account. Let me first insert my password, then we'll change to the new password. Also just let me check once what network proxy I'm using. Okay, it's no proxy. Okay, over here it's saying the new password cannot be the same as the old one. So let's change. Just let me delete this. Yeah. So now let me just change to new password. Now let's change our proxy setting to manual proxy so that we can intercept the request of burp suit. Let's turn on intercept. Now let's capture this request, change password. Okay, so this is the request, password and current password. Let's right click, engagement tool, generate CSRF PoC. Let's copy HTML. Now we'll paste this HTML of Ankit Singh's ID, which we have opened in Mozilla Firefox. This is the attacker one and Akash Singh is the user one. Okay. So first we are changing the password of Ankit's ID, the attacker one. Let's delete this. Now let's paste our HTML request. We have copied this and we have pasted over here. Okay, so now let's save this file. We'll open it in Google Chrome. Okay, if you'll see over here, Akash Singh ID is open in Google Chrome. That is the user. So we are attacker, we are attacking user. Now let's submit request. As you can see, your password was successfully changed. And over here, the ID is Akash Singh and we generated POC of Ankit Singh. The other, that was the attacker email. As you can see over here, it's Ankit's ID. Let's see. Let's turn off the intercept. And again, let's go to network proxy as no proxy so that we can see more changes that we can make in Ankit Singh account so that we can reflect changes in Akash account. So what we'll do over here, let me tell you just a second. Yeah. Now, what we will do, we will change the first name from Ankit to hacker. We will perform this. Now, let me, input other details as well. Okay, so it's not accepting this address. Let me put a valid address over here. Let's type Meerut and city Varanasi. Anything over here. Okay, postal code can be this. Okay, so before changing, we'll go back to manual proxy and intercept the request. Let's turn on the intercept and let's see what we have changed. Okay, now let's submit changes. Okay, let's forward this one and yeah, this is our request. We'll just right click, engagement tools, generate CSRF PoC. Same procedure, copy HTML. Now let's open this, edit with notepad, and over here we'll delete this. Let's delete this one as well and paste our HTML request. Okay, save as index.html. Now we'll again open this. Oh, mistakenly I clicked on edit. Yeah, we'll open it in Google Chrome. Okay, as you can see, we'll update profile. Let's see if the first name has been changed to hacker or not after submitting request of Akash IDs. Let's submit request. Voila, the name has been changed to Hacker K Singh. Though it was Akash K Singh, now it has been changed to Hacker K Singh. So that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial.